Okay, so setting up your RinseKit shelter is super easy. We designed this as a quick tent, so it basically pops up. There's no inserting tent poles or anything like that into it. You just have to snap it up and it's ready to go. So the first thing you're going to want to do is unzip the bag. And you will see that the tent comes with some tent stakes and some rope if you want to tie it down if it's windy at your campsite. Okay, so the tent has an instant pop-up system, so all you have to do is stand it up, and then you can see the top piece right here. And basically you're just going to kind of spread the legs out a little bit, and if you pull these two ropes, it'll open up. And then all you have to do is pull the legs up until they lock into place. You'll hear them click, and just do that on all four sides. All right, so now that you got it set up, you can put the stakes in on the four legs, and then you can use the ropes to tie down from the corners right here if you need to, if it's windy at your campsite. Also, you'll see that it comes with this pole. This is for the towel hanger on the inside. So if you take a look in here, there's two little clips, and you just snap this right on here. So that's how easy it is to set up the RinseKit shelter. As you can see, it only takes a minute to pop it right up, and now you can have a private shower and a bathroom anywhere you want. So here's how you're going to take down your RinseKit shelter. The first thing you want to do is remove the towel hanger out of the inside. And this just clips out of these little hangers right here. And you can set this aside because we're going to put that in afterwards. You can leave the pockets hanging and stuff like that. Those don't need to come down. Second thing you want to do is just go ahead and take off the rain fly. Undo these hooks. And then this is a quick collapse tent. It's quick to set up and quick to take down. So all you have to do is press these little tabs and it collapses the legs on each side. And then to collapse the top part, all you have to do is separate these two bars by pressing them apart. And then you just simply take the legs and fold them back onto themselves. You want to make sure your tent's dry before you put it back in the bag, otherwise it might get moldy. That's it, there you go.